Good morning, fellow peeps and folks. I'm Allie, and today we are again playing Heavy Rain. Last time we got a lot more info on the origami killer, and I did speak about my theories in length, so I'm not gonna do everything again. Just, we got the flashback of the two brothers. One died in rainwater, so, that's just explaining why this method of killing people. We had the dad kicking them out first, so that's a reason why parents are targeted with that. So, and then like the rich guy came to the grave of Little John. Wow, Little John. Like, you know who I mean. I'm not... For anyone who got that reference, which wasn't actually a reference, just keep it. But yeah, so Scott and Lauren found out a lot. And now it actually, it wouldn't mean... I was iffy about the confession of that one guy. Because it was that was too easy. But there's definitely a connection to the family, so... I don't know. So, let's continue, I guess. We're gonna go with Madison again, who's just been through a traumatic experience. Blue Lagoon. Wait, wasn't that also the place where Norman was gonna head because of Paco? Wasn't that the name that Norman got? Yeah, Paco
the guy
Mendes.
who rented the Doc's apartment on Marble Street. Better be careful. He might be the killer.
He might not be the killer, but connected to the killer, maybe. I don't know, but Norman's probably gonna head there too at some point.
Bartender. I know that.
Alright.
Paco Mendes, the guy the Doc lent his apartment to. Not the kind of guy you take home to mom anytime soon. I'm gonna ask him a few questions.
Alright.
Everything's gonna be alright. I find the guy, I ask a few questions, and then I get the hell out.
Alright, we're trying.
This Paco is one of the buddies of Dr. Death. Better watch my step. Play school for the jet set. Not really worth it. I've nothing against techno, trance, whatever music, but this stuff is really loud.
Well, let's see if we can find a bartender somewhere. I have no idea
Still
what
haven't gotten over my encounter.
Yeah, of course you haven't gotten through that yet.
Bartender.
I would be very, very... Yeah, sorry, the music is kind of... First of all, a little getting on my nerves. It's not really my style of music. And second, I'm kind of, I don't know. I'm getting sidetracked here. It's just... I don't even know what to say anymore.
Paco Mendes?
What?
Paco Mendes. Do you know him?
I should. He's the boss.
Boss,
He's over
okay.
there in the VIP lounge.
Of course he is. Alright.
Thanks.
Alright, so we do have to go there. But yeah, what I was saying is that I'm not surprised she's not over the stuff. So VIP lounge, so I guess I can't really get through.
I've got to speak to Paco.
That's not possible. Mr. Mendez has asked not to be disturbed.
Alright, so how do we get there?
Sorry, lady. Invited guests only.
I didn't even want to go there, I was just...
Paco's Lagoon isn't letting anyone through. Gonna have to think of something else.
Yeah, what you're gonna do now? Alright, so the dancer is in focus? I have no idea. Oh. So she's going to him.
Paco seems to like his girls sexy. Sexy and handsome.
Yeah, of course. So what we're gonna do? And you're like,
Maybe I could catch his attention by strutting that stuff in the back. I'm gonna have to rethink my strategy if I want to talk to Paco. Gotta find something to change.
alright. So we're gonna change into something a little more tension. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if that's the right way. That's just the way outside, okay. Like, I have no idea where to go here because I've never been here, and I technically don't ever want to come back. It's not my kind of scene. Is there like some step you can't get over? Girl, just move. No. This seems like a place where you should be able to go change. Can I go like around inside, whatever? I have no idea. I'm bad at this. How should I know where to go? Nope, nope. This looks like the right place. Like there are clothes there. I guess I'm gonna try to find another place then. I'm sorry because this is like super. Alright, there are toilets there. Maybe that's the right place. I hate the camera changing stuff. Sorry, this, like, the beginning of this episode basically is gonna be so boring. I'm really sorry for that. I just couldn't find the place.
Time to play the sexy girl.
Alright. Yeah, your hair is exactly the same as before. Of course. Yeah, she's gonna rip that thing fun. If it's for the cause. Probably makeup, yeah. Like, I'm not even good at applying makeup myself, so, let's see what we have there. Okay. And again, slowly. Well, yeah, that didn't work out. I guess it was a little too quick. Yeah. Let us see if we got anything else then. A gun. Yeah, in that case, maybe not use the gun. At least not right now, maybe later, but you know. Alright, let's find that place again where the other girl was dancing. Dance! I guess we're doing that now. Oh gosh. We're doing QTEs. Yeah, we're looking drunk. Let's try again, let's try again. I wasn't ready for dance QTEs. I'm trying my best. I guess it's working. I'm trying to concentrate, you know.
Hey, you! It's your lucky day, sweetheart. The boss wants to invite you to his table.
Alright. That was the plan.
Hey, thanks for accepting my little invitation.
So you're packed up?
Hello around here, honey? I think I would have noticed you before. My name's Paco. And you?
Madison. I'm Madison.
Ah. I like the way you move, Marisa. You make me all hot under the collar.
Of course.
Maybe we can continue this conversation somewhere more private.
Of course.
Oh, baby. Yeah, come with me.
So, let's see how this is gonna work out. Following that guy first. I'm happy if I can get through the people.
Gun. Get out of there before I get into big trouble. Everything's gonna be alright.
Yeah, you're gonna get into trouble as soon as you pull out that gun, but just don't make him scream.
So,
Too much.
Welcome to my little kingdom.
I like the fish tank. It's kind of illuminating the room even though there's no lights.
I'll take that. Just get in the way of good things.
Of course. Yeah, we almost got killed. Let's not get raped.
So, show me what you can do. Take it all. Slowly. Take it all off.
Could I have a drink? You know, just a little drink to break the ice.
Oh, we already broke the ice. Let's get wet. Come on. Do your thing, girl.
Could we just talk first?
No, we don't need any
Of
talk.
course.
I'll talk down. Now, show me what you can do.
Alright, the only thing we could do is leave, but...
I'm sorry. I think there's been a little misunderstanding. Look, I'll just go. No harm done. Another time.
I think it is you who are misunderstood.
So you got a gun.
I'm tired of wasting my time. It's now or never.
Can we just like...
I never for an answer.
Wow, you're gonna threaten me. Could you like start doing it and then get the gun out of his hand?
Just like
Think of something. There's got to be some way out of here. The lamp. If only I could find some way to grab it. Oh, I know.
Alright.
Baby sweet cakes. So good.
Alright.
That's what I call kicking butt. You go, girl.
You go, girl. That's what I...
Okay, Act 2. Let's hear Loverboy sing.
Yay. So we didn't get raped. That's good. Let's hit him again. Let's hit him again.
Ah!
Sorry. I'm having fun. Let's get our info now.
If you call out, I'll kill you. Got it?
Alright.
Shit. What you want?
Not the
Rent
thing
an
you
apartment
wanted.
on Marble Street. I want to know why.
An apartment? I don't know what you're talking about. Not bad for a chica, but you only hurt my feelings a little bit, mama. Ugh! You fucking bitch! I'm gonna kill you!
Speak.
Boss? Is everything all right?
Yep. Yep. Everything's alright. You can hear that, right? He's getting turned on from those sounds, you know? The look on his face is like,
If you value those prized balls of yours, Paco, then it's time for you to talk.
oh gosh. We're gonna do the ball squeeze.
Ah! What you doing?
We're gonna go
Stop
full
it!
on Yang Xiaolong here.
Hey!
I'm only getting started. How about some more?
I never set foot in that apartment. I gave the keys to some guy.
Which
I
guy?
needed a... face. He had money.
He had money.
What was that guy's name?
I don't know his name. I swear. Shepard. His name is John Shepard.
He's
That's all I
using the
know,
name
I
John
swear.
Shepard. Yep, of course he is.
There, that wasn't so hard, was it? I really appreciated this romantic moment.
Very
I gotta
romantic.
dash. See you next time, lover boy.
And now get out of there. Because he's gonna call for security.
Time to get out of here. I've got a massive headache.
Yeah, I got it kind of from the music stuff. I'm glad it like stopped for a moment there, but now it's just like again.
This gives you a feeling.
I wonder if we don't get out of there quickly enough. Could we get like caught? But yeah, we managed that. Pride saved. Yeah. We could have definitely.
I'm here to see Paco.
It's 4.3 inches
There ain't
already.
no Paco here, fella. Get lost.
Yeah, he can't.
Are you absolutely
He can pull the FBI card.
He's in his office.
He's got it a little easier.
Take the stairs over there.
Yep. Ooh, who is it?
I'm gonna hear you come in. A crazy beach came around here asking questions about the apartment on Marble Street. I don't know what you're doing. I don't
If we're
want to.
fast enough, we can
Whatever
just
that shit is. It's beginning to draw attention.
catch both of them, right?
Look, man. I know you get me out of prison.
Of course.
That fucking bitch nearly killed me.
Out of prison, like how
Every day
did
you
you
act.
get there for assaulting
I
someone?
think my debt to you is paid. Don't fuck around, man.
Alright, he's got a
No,
head.
wait. I can still help you out. No. Don't kill me.
Are we too late? We might be too late. Yeah, we're too late. Yeah, there's the lamp. That's not important right now. Let's search for clues then. Oh gosh. I didn't know if we could do something. Let's, you know, catch that guy maybe? Oh gosh. Let's not get killed. Oh fuck. That's not working out the way I wanted to. That didn't work. I'm not good at QTEs today. Shit. Let's stand up. So even if we get all the QTEs right, which we didn't, but even if we got them right, would we have, like, we probably wouldn't have been able to. I hate those. It's the same as with the bathtub. I'm pressing that one too quickly before it even, you know. Yeah. That's the question. Could we have gotten him?
His coat pocket. I tore it off during the fight.
That's good.
2 receipts from the same gas station.
Let's go to the gas
Interesting.
station then. Let's see. At least it's not, you know. Ooh, there's a lot here. Nope, I didn't want to do that. I just... things, you know? Not knowing what things mean. Because of a camera angle.
45 caliber semi-automatic.
Alright, there, yeah, there, that's the land where people can just own weapons without licenses and stuff. Apparently.
Paco Mendez was no saint. His rap sheet reads like the telephone book.
Alright. Yeah, of course. It's just his DNA. Here's another thing.
45 caliber.
Yep, that's just the thing he was killed with, I guess. Wait, was that,
The killer was looking for something.
alright. Like, there's pollen in the air.
A bullet.
If it's
Right
the same
between
pollen.
eyes. Instant death.
Yeah. Makes sense, you know? He wanted him gone. Not able to talk about anything.
Orchid pheromones. The fucking origami killer.
Yep, you almost had him. That's why I think that, you know, probably... you know,
Lipstick.
that even
Might
if
be a
you get
clue.
all the QTEs right, you probably don't get him because it's... Oh, now you got Madison. Isn't that fun? Can we convict Madison,
Madison
or what?
Page. What was a journalist doing here?
Doing things. Yeah. Oh, that's the other gun, right? Or is that your gun? I don't know. So is there anything else I missed? Oh, the tape. I mean, yeah. Madison did that. I'm sorry. She has no criminal record, though. Not yet. Anything new? Whee. I guess there's nothing else. I'm just gonna go through that whole thing. Nope. Doesn't seem like it. I guess our work here is done. Sorry about the death. I mean, he was kind of great, but... This death was... Wait.
Did Paco know the guy came to see him?
Sorry, I don't speak cop.
Watch my lips, asshole! I got no time to translate. Did Paco know the guy? Yes or no?
John. He said his name was John.
So, every one of our people
Always let him straight up.
will find out, like, you know. I don't know. Could we find something else? I'm not sure. I was looking through that whole thing. Maybe I can go, like, to the... I should probably... The origami code probably, like, had gloves and stuff. Let me go inside one more time. I'm sorry for that, but I... Okay, so no, we can't use the Allie here and just, you know, look at the whole... I want to see if there's something more that we might have forgotten or stuff. I know I looked through the whole thing already, but I really don't want to miss anything. You know what I mean? But yeah, no, there's nothing there. I guess that's just how it is then. Guess we found out whatever we can. But yeah, like step by step, everyone is like finding out like stuff about John Shepard. But only Scott and Lauren know that John Shepard actually died.
Shit. Looks like a dead end. Out to nowhere.
Not really.
I'll end up a basket case if things keep going like this. That bastard nearly broke my neck.
Fun.
The suspect dead. Someone tries to kill me. On the right track, do you think?
Probably.
Paco knew the killer. That's why he was killed.
You think?
It's too dark. It all happened so fast. Didn't have time to see his face. The killer may have left some clues in the office.
We already went through that.
Code spreads. Get back to the hotel fast.
It is
I seem
easy.
to spend most of my time getting the shit kicked out.
Yeah, but you're finding
Gotta
things
go.
out. You're still, you know, you're not really quick about it. Like the others know more than you do. But you're trying. You get a medal for trying. Maybe. Like if just all parties involved would talk to each other, then maybe, you know, they could find out more, but that's just how it is. So yeah, that I'm curious about that one. It's already 4.454 inches. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna stop it here. Go back to the main menu, yeah. Because I know this is gonna be sad and I was scared of that. Let's go to the achievements. Pride saved. Take of no more than one item of clothing during this trip. Okay, yeah, I mean, we did that. Alright. So, what I'm scared about right now is we didn't kill that man. So, the trial basically failed. Can we still do the last trial and maybe that is enough to succeed? Like, we did everything we could without hurting an innocent person by choice. We did the car stuff. If we hurt someone, then it wasn't by choice. But just because it happened on the street. At the butterfly thing, we didn't hurt anybody but ourselves. At the lizard stuff, we didn't hurt anybody but ourselves. So if that one, like if one trial, like does one trial determine if everything's lost or not? Because if it does, I'd be pissed. So, you know, I guess that's on the loose. It didn't really tell me anything about if it's lost now or not. On the loose. But yeah. I'd be pissed if that would mean the end for Ethan's storyline. You know? And I also want everyone to, like, come together, compare notes. I'm sorry about that. If I remember, I'd mute it, but if I didn't mute it, I'm sorry, then I just didn't remember. But yeah. Well. I still got about, like, 2.5, 3 hours that I can play, so let's see what happens next in the next video. Why don't we? So, on this note, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!